Okay, after that, pour the vinegar into the baking soda and see what's gonna happen. I'm really excited about this. Wow! It's a big explosion there. Wow! It's also fizzy. Wow! That's cool. You guys can see the gas bubbles there. That's the gas that comes from vinegar and baking soda. And it